The Project Management module is a robust tool designed for comprehensive project delivery management. Efficient project management allows for improved planning and scheduling, budget management, and enhanced decision-making. The module provides a clear overview of all ongoing projects within your business. Viewing detailed information for individual projects is both effortless and intuitive. Project scoping is among the most critical aspects of project management. This module allows stakeholders to define and access project objectives, deliverables, risks, exclusions, and budgets, all in a single interface. This ensures a clear and unambiguous project scope. Project managers can effortlessly create and assign tasks to the team. Visual representations through task boards and Gantt charts enable efficient tracking of task statuses and assist in planning. Budget management is streamlined through integration with the finance module, ensuring a seamless flow of quotes and invoice data. The Project Management Reporting feature provides an aggregate view of project statuses and budgets, comparing estimated versus actual values for swift monitoring and adjustment. It helps to keep the project finances under check. Embrace the Project Management module to optimize your project teams and drive successful outcomes, enhancing efficiency and effectiveness in your business operations. Access the relevant guides to explore this one-stop solution for all your project management needs.